Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, a new keychains. Everyone should see this. Woohoo! Let's see one by one. I like this first. Look at. Ooh. Wow! You have to watch our long video here. Next, it's a football from the train. I like this foot and that blue color ball. This is my favorite color. And our last bite. Ready? Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Bye bye.